Welcome to Nectar Modular Furniture. Today we are going to talk about processed plywood. What is processed plywood? It is plywood laminated and cut using machines with laminate sheets and edge banding. What is it used for? All types of modular furniture, modular kitchen furniture, modular beds, modular wardrobes, etc. And how do we make it? Let's see.
Let's go to our 3500 square foot facility at Nectar Modular Furniture. Here we are equipped with advanced furniture making machineries.
Here is how we make it. So step 1 is adhesive is applied on this raw sheet of plywood, preparing plywood to be placed under pressure in pasting machine. This is a raw sheet of plywood. So this is how we apply the adhesive. Now that we have applied the adhesive, we will place the laminate sheet carefully, align it and then hold it at one place using Abro tape. Step 2. Pasting under pressure. Now that we have applied the adhesive, we will place it in the pressing machine. This machine is called as cold press. In this machine, plywood will be kept under approximately 100 tons of immense pressure, distributed equally on the area. Each piece has to be kept for nearly 4 to 5 hours in this machine before it is ready for cutting. This big plate will apply equal pressure on all parts of the plywood sheet. And the pressure is set to about 100 tons. After the sheet has been pasted, next step is to cut the plywood in desired sizes. This is a sliding table panel saw.
Size of the machine is around 18 feet by 16 feet.
It has markings in millimeter to achieve perfect sizes and has an error up to 2 to 3 millimeters.
So this is how the required size is set on the gauge to achieve the perfect size.
All the pieces required for a furniture item are noted down on a sheet and then will be cut on this saw as per the sizes. After cutting, edge binding strip is applied on this machine to achieve a perfect finish. In this machine, hot glue at around 200 degree Fahrenheit is applied on these PVC strips and then pasted on the edges to make them seal tight.
So here from the other side, you can see how the PVC strip is automatically been applied on the edge of the plywood piece, and it is trimming automatically.
So this was the final process. After all these processes, finished piece is then cleaned and packed into bubble boxes and then sent to site for installation. So what are the advantages of such a processed plywood? Since laminate is pasted at such a high pressure of 100 tons, no bubble appears on the plywood panel. Cutting on such a saw machine achieves perfect sizes. Sealing the edges with PVC strips using hot glue protect them from moisture and termites. In short, you get a perfect plywood panel protected from moisture and termites, no bubble, and last much longer than normal plywood piece would last. This process of furniture making is the same as traditional method of furniture making, but all the processes are done with machinery, hence improved quality and done in very less time. Thank you for watching this video.